I am going to discuss different types of electrodes. The first, metal plate electrodes. These types of electrodes are used for application of limbs, and this is used to measure the ECG measurement. This is a schematic view of surface, that is a metal plate electrode. Here it consists of flat metal plate and it is bent into a cylindrical segment. This terminal is used to attach the lead wire to ECG, this terminal. So it is made up of German silver or nickel silver alloy. So before it is attached to the body with a rubber strap or tape, its concave surface is covered. The surface is covered with electrolyte gel. So it is these types of electrode are used still occasionally. So next one, the metal disc electrode. So this is applied with surgical tape. So this lead wire is welded to back surface. So it can be made up of several different material. Sometimes a sometimes a layer of insulating material like epoxy protects the connection between the lead wire and the electrode. So it is used for recording ECG or cardiac from a disc of AG that may have electrolytically deposited layer of AgCl. So it is coated with electrolyte gel and then pressed against the patient's chest wall. So it is popular for recording EMG or EEG measurement. So it is very low cost because it is so thin. Next one, this is a dispersible foam poured electrode. This one is a schematic view of dispersible foam poured electrode. This electrode, relatively large plastic foam material with a silver plated disc on one side attached to the silver plated snap. This one is silver plated snap. It is similar that used on clothing in the center of the other side. The disc serves as an electrode and coated with AgCl layer. This layer of electrolytes is Ag. So the electrode's gel covers the disc. So the electrode sides of foam is covered with an adhesive material which is compactable with the skin. So this type of electrodes packaged in a foil envelope so that the water component of the gel will not evaporate away. Next one, the suction cup electrode. It is suitable for black surface of the body, that is very soft body tissues. It consists of hollow metallic cylindrical electrode that makes contact with the skin at its base. Look at this is the base of this metallic cylinder electrode. So when a electrode gel is placed on the coating surface, the bulb is squeezed and the electrode is placed on the chest wall. The bulb is released and the applied suction against the skin holding the electrode assembly in place. The lead wire is attached to the metal cylinder of rubber suction. This is a lead wire. This is attached to the metal cylinder. So of the rubber section bulb fitted over its other base. It occupies a small surface area. So it is used to measure ECG measurement and it is used only for short period of time. This diagram is a 3D view of suction cup electrode. Next one, the floating electrode. It is also known as liquid junction electrode. Is attached to the skin by means of two-sided adhesive collars of rings. So the metal is in this type has no direct contact with the body. Here look at this. The contact is made to an electrolytic bridge. So in these types of electrodes to eliminate the movement artifacts. To eliminate the movement artifacts. So this is a cross-sectional view of floating electrodes. This is a schematic view of floating electrodes. Previously discussed electrodes are solid and flat or have a fixed curvature. The body surface is irregular shape and it can change its local curvature with movements. So the solid electrode cannot conform to this change in body surface topology, so which creates additional motion artifacts. So to avoid such problems, flexible electrode have to be developed. So this is a flexible electrode, carbon filled rubber. This one is a thin film and neonatal. So this carbon filled silicon rubber components is in the form of strip or disc used to active element in the electrode. Here the pin connector is pushed into the lead connector hole. So it is similar to metal plate electrode. So these types of electrodes are used for monitoring premature infants, usually 2.5 kg. So it detects the ECG and respiration by the impedance technique. So this one is a thin film neonatal. So here it consists of 13 micrometer thick milayer film on which AG and AGCl film has been deposited. On which AG and AGCl film has been deposited. Here this is a cross-sectional view of thin film flexible electrode. Here the flexible lead is attached to the milayer substrate by means of conducting adhesive, and a silver film is approximately there is a AG film, that is a silver film is 1 micrometer thick, is deposited over this and the milayer. So the AGCl layer, this AGCl layer is grown on the silver surface, so via electrolytic process. So it is used for newborn infants. So that is compactable with X-rays. So these types of electrodes have input impedance of in the order of 10 mega ohm or higher, so which is greater than the resistance of the electrolytic metal often. So it has less motion artifacts when we use these types of electrode. Next one, the equivalent circuit of the surface electrode. Here this VH is it is a electrolyte interface. This is this will resembles a voltage source. This will resembles the voltage source. Here it is having half cell potential. So this is developed due to charge gradient. So here this RD is nothing but the leakage resistance. CD is the electrode capacitance, and REL is the skin resistance or series electrolytic resistance. So here the half cell potential is measured with the reference of hydrogen electrode that is placed in the electrolyte near the metallic electrode. Here this diagram, these capacitor and resistors are in parallel, and this parallel combination is again series with half cell potential and skin resistor.